Amendment A is likely headed to the South Dakota Supreme Court. The voter-approved amendment would legalize recreational marijuana in South Dakota. Yesterday, a judge ruled in favor of a lawsuit supported by Governor Kristi Noem. The ruling says Amendment A violates a law approved by voters in 2018. And that's not all. Tonight's KELOLAND's Tom Hansen takes a look at the amendment and where it goes from here.
On November 3rd of 2020, more than 225,000 South Dakotans voted to make marijuana legal for recreational use. Voters approved the amendment by a margin of 54% to 46%. The Attorney General's explanation includes these key points. The amendment legalizes the possession, use, transport, and distribution of marijuana by people aged 21 and older. The amendment authorizes the State Department of Revenue to issue marijuana-related licenses. The amendment imposes a 15% tax on marijuana sales. And it says judicial clarification of the amendment may be necessary. Yesterday, Sixth Circuit Judge Christina Klinger ruled that Amendment A must be thrown out because it addresses more than one subject. And that is a violation of Amendment Z, which voters passed in 2018. It limits amendments to one subject to make it easier for voters on Election Day. She also says it should have gone through a constitutional convention process. Supporters of Amendment A say they are ready for the next round. Brendan Johnson, former U.S. Attorney for South Dakota, who sponsored the amendment, says they are preparing to appeal to the South Dakota Supreme Court. Last week, State Representative Mike Derby from Rapid City told KELOLAND News the legislature would rather not be the only state to set up rules and regulations for both medical marijuana and recreational marijuana at the same time. He says other states have had the luxury of getting medical marijuana rules in place first and then working from that base to regulate the complicated minefield of adult use or recreational marijuana. The judge's ruling and appeal to the Supreme Court will not impact legalization of medical marijuana in South Dakota, but for now, Amendment A is void. Tom Hansen, KELOLAND News.
At this point, it's unclear when the South Dakota Supreme Court would hear the appeal. We may know more once the appeal is filed.
Well, Monday's ruling against a voter-approved amendment to legalize recreational marijuana is just the latest chapter in a long story involving South Dakota ballot measures. In fact, you can trace the people's power on voting for and against legislation all the way back to 1898, according to the South Dakota Secretary of State's website. In a push notification that we just sent you on the KELOLAND News app, digital reporter Eric Mayer has a timeline on how the battle over legal marijuana got to this point. Look for 1898 to 2021, a timeline on the process to legalize marijuana in South Dakota. It's online right now.